Hey there!
Hey.
So today we're doing a car magnet, and Diza is working on it, and I'm going to take you through our project. Okay, so this is a car magnet, and it is, I believe, 12 feet long. And there you can see the back of it. And what we're planning to do is we're putting on vinyl letters. We're then coating it with a little bit of epoxy and glitter. Because it's only going to be out in the sun for one day, epoxy is fine. If this was something that was going to live on your car for months, don't recommend the epoxy step. And then we're going to go ahead and glitter around the rest of the magnet material with Mod Podge and the Centauri Silver Chunky. And when we're done, we're going to cut out the letters in these shapes, kind of like keeping the letters together. And I will show you what it looks like with the Mod Podge on. Okay, here is the left side of the car, and you can see that Centauri Silver's crazy. And we went ahead and left some white around the glitter letters there just to make them stand out. But we went ahead and did drop in some Centauri Silver, and you can of course see there's Glitterati Rainbow in the epoxy on top of the words. And this is our biker gang. And as soon as this is dry, probably tomorrow, we're going to start cutting it apart. Getting ready, guys, huh?
Chaka